What's up, friends? So I'm making a different kind of video today. My friends and I were talking about meme coins, and I'm kind of deep into them, getting into them this season. This is the first year that I've gotten into them, but my friends are like, wait, what are you even talking about? And it's occurred to me that there's a barrier of entry, like just looking at this page, like people don't even know what is Deck Screener? Like what are you even looking at? Like how do you find meme coins? How do you do this? How do you buy them? And I'm going to go through what basically I was going to make a video for my friends on exactly how to buy this one coin that, in full disclosure, I have some coins of. I do own some of. Um, but then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do this and put this out there for anybody who's curious on how to get into altcoins, meme coins. The season's popping, things are happening. So it is hopefully if you get something out of this, then great. That's the whole point of this video. All right, so let's get into it. First of all, what is a meme coin? So, like, we're not talking about Bitcoin. We're not talking about Ethereum. We're not talking about Solana. We're talking about coins that you can buy with Ethereum, right? Or with Solana. So each one of those has their own network. There is the Ethereum network on which you can buy certain, random coins that people can make every day, just like all of these. Like, there's so many of them, and that's why it's so hard to just see, like, what the heck am I supposed to do? Like, if I go to new pairs over here and I just look at what's happened in, look at this, 5 minutes, 12 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Coins are created every, like, 5 minutes, dude. It's crazy. So who knows which ones to pick, right? What the thing is with these coins is that, like, there are 5 or so that are insane that pop off and do, like, 100x or whatever. They're just crazy numbers, like Pepe or SHIB or Dogecoin or what am I missing? Oh, well, the one that we're going to do today, hopefully, which is Brett. I'm going to show you guys how to buy some of that today, which is something that I'm invested in. And my friends are curious about, and they're like, how do I even get into it? Well, I'm going to show you. But this is how you find all of these, and this is how you look at them. So if we wanted to look at Brett, for example, we type in Brett, and we go over to the right one, which is another reason this stuff is confusing, because you have to see, like, okay, there are different Brett coins, right? Well, how do I know which one it is? Because I want the one that's on the base chain. Okay, there are different networks. This is on Ethereum's network. This is on Base network. This is on the Solana network. Okay, so we want Brett on the Base network. And why do we want that? Because it's Coinbase's level 2 network. It's supported by a US recognized coin exchange, which is Coinbase. And so, and it's the #1 coin on Base. So look at this. This thing's ripping, man. I mean, it's just consolidating at all-time highs right now, which has been exciting. I got in where? Market cap. I got in around here. So, I mean, yeah, it's been a nice little run up. But right now, we just crossed over $1 billion. And the reason people are excited is because, Pepe reached $7 billion last year. And Pepe is Brett's best friend when you think of, I mean, these meme coins are all just basically jokes. They're all things that have stories, like things from the internet. This is a group of friends in a comic book. They're 4 friends, and Pepe is one of them. And he is the coin that was built on, I think, the Ethereum network last year and popped off and went to 7 billion. 7 billion. Like people who got in on like under 400 million. Say you got in at 100 million and it went to 7 billion. That's a crazy multiple right there, right? SHIB went to like, I can't remember, it's 40 billion or 70 billion, but these numbers are insane, right? But there's only like 3 or 4 coins that end up doing that. Every other one that ends up basically on this Deck Screener over here where we were, which was the new pairs, like all these new ones, these are all just going to amount to nothing. They're all going to be dead in like 2 days. You'll see it. Like, watch, I'll show you. This one's been up for, look, it's already dead. It's been up for 2 hours. It's already dead. Let's look at it in the 15-minute. It pumped for about 15 minutes and then died in 30 minutes. So, like, that's what most of them do, which is why they're super sketchy. But, I mean, if you take one that's been running for over 3 months and is just ripping, well, then maybe we've got something here. So that's why I'm showing them how to look up the charts and how to look at this stuff, because most people don't know where to find charts for meme coins. Well, this is it. It's deckscreener.com. All right. So this is it. I'm going to show you how, if they wanted to buy some, they could. So what you first need to do, which makes this confusing, is you need to get a MetaMask wallet. Okay. Which is very simple. You just Google MetaMask Chrome extension. Boom. Super easy. Go in here, get yourself a MetaMask. Okay? You install it for Chrome, and then it ends up going up right in the top next to your browser. When you get that, it's now your digital wallet. Okay? And then that's something that you're going to be able to connect to websites to buy stuff. It's very simple. And so if you look at my wallet, this is showing that I've got, a little bit of Ethereum, like barely any. It's like $37 worth. I've got a crap ton of Brett. And I used to have some Normie and I sold it all. All right. But these MetaMask wallets have different networks that you can choose. So this is my base wallet. But if I change that over to my Ethereum wallet, well, now it's only showing that I have like basically $1 worth of Ethereum on my Ethereum network. All right. But as soon as I change that over to base, now it's showing what I hold in the base network. And that's the whole thing. It's like, what bank are you buying them from? Do you have some things from Wells Fargo? You have some things from Chase, and you have some things from Fidelity. Like, it's not hard to understand. It's just new words, right? So just start to get familiar with those words, and then all of a sudden, it's like this stuff starts to make sense. So Brett lives on the Base network. It's the #1 coin on Base. And because of that, as new users hop onto the Base network, which is fairly new and backed by Coinbase, well, they're all going, well, what's the main one? Oh, look at that. And it's up. Oh, look at that. And they're kind of jumping in, which is why people are very bullish on this. So I'm going to show you how to buy it. Once you have your MetaMask wallet, it's fairly simple from there. All right. So what we're going to end up doing is you go over to Coinbase, you get yourself an account, and you want to buy some Ethereum because we are going to buy Brett coins by using Ethereum. So what you would end up doing is you first have to get money onto Coinbase. That's the first step. How you do that? You transfer, and it says deposit cash. And the way you're going to do this is from your debit card right here. Okay? Do not do it from your checking account. Because if you do it from your checking account, it's going to take like 3 or 4 or 5 days to clear. And then you can buy stuff. It's like really frustrating. But if you do it straight from a debit card, then you can have your transfers immediately. So as soon as you put money in, you'll see it in your balance. Let's say you put $1,000 in, boom. And they're going to take like $50. It's a fee and it's frustrating as shit. They're going to end up taking like $25. But trust me, they're going to take another $25 on the outward end of this transaction too. So you'll see it ends up being about $50 if you drop $1,000 to buy this Brett coin. So that's just kind of annoying, but you'll end up with $950 worth of Brett. And I'm certainly glad I did do that because, I mean, look at the chart. So, all right, back to it. Here's what we're going to do. We go to Coinbase. We've bought $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Great. Now we have to send that to our MetaMask wallet. Okay? But we have to make sure that we send it through the Base network. So when we do that, we go to our MetaMask wallet, and I'm not going to show you mine, but up at the top here, it shows your account number, and it's very long. All you have to do is copy that, and then you head over to transfer after we've bought our Ethereum, and we say we want to send crypto to ourselves in our wallet. And I know I don't have any. You have no Bitcoin to send. And it's going to say, how do you want to send this? And you will choose the Base network. And it's going to say, does your recipient allow Base network transactions? Be sure, because if not, you're going to lose this money by sending it via Base to something that doesn't allow Base. Well, MetaMask, your MetaMask wallet certainly allows for that. So you would say, yes, it certainly does. It accepts Base transactions. And then you hit paste and put in your wallet, and you hit send. And then it'll show up as Ethereum within like 2 minutes, not even, within like 30 seconds, right here in your Base account on your MetaMask wallet. If you're not seeing it, you might have your Ethereum wallet selected, and you're like, why is it only showing $1? I've been waiting for like an hour. What the hell is going on? Well, because remember, you sent it via Base. So you have to go change it to the Base network, and then it'll show up as your $1,000 or $950 worth of Ethereum right here. Super easy. All right. But now we have to swap that. We have to make that Ethereum and turn it into Brett. We have basically to buy Brett with that Ethereum from on the base network. All right? Super easy. We go over to Brett's. There's two ways to do this. Honestly, the best way to do this is to copy the address from, where is it? 42E4. So this is how I'm checking. It says you can copy the address for the coin so that you know you're buying the right Brett. Because remember, if we search Brett, there's like freaking 5 of them over here. And it's like, well, which one do I want? We want the one that's on the base network. That's this blue, looks like Coinbase. Remember, it's backed by Coinbase. And it's got this little sushi swap here. But the other way that you can confirm that is on basedbrett.com. It's going to give you the ability to copy the address. See how these last 4 numbers, 42E4? That's what I wanted to see, because if we go back over to Dex Screener and we see Brett right here, 42E4. So you can just click that and it'll copy it to your address. All right, great. But then we have to go somewhere to buy it. So where is the exchange that we're going to go to buy it? Well, on this website, it says buy on KyberSwap. So we just go and click on that, KyberSwap. And this is why having a MetaMask wallet really helps, because here, now I've blacked it out, but you'll see if you would see that mine is connected. Or if yours hasn't connected, it's going to say connect. And you just click that, and then your MetaMask wallet will connect. From there, all we have to do, because now our MetaMask wallet is connected, we choose whatever coin we want. So we choose we want to swap Ethereum for Brett. Sweet. And then you click do it, and then it does it, and then you go check your account, and you've got all that Brett. That is literally it. But the reason that I wanted to show you that is because there is something to be careful of, and I've been scammed out of some money doing this, and I don't want it to happen to you. Every time somebody on Twitter posts something about Brett, the next comment will be something to the extent of, super excited to announce the airdrop of Brett. Claim your free Brett tokens here. And I was like, wow, because there was a lot of buzz around Brett tokens being airdropped. And when that happened, you wanted to be the first to it. Well, scammers figured that out, made a website that instead of being basedbrett.com, that's this website, BASED, Brett.com, they did like BASEED, like instead of based, like based, like it looks like based, or they did a website that was one letter off. It looks and acts exactly like this. So you're like, all right, oh, okay, cool. I'm on the website. And then it's like, click here for your airdrop. And you do that, and then your MetaMask wallet comes up, and it's like, would you like to confirm? And you're like, yeah, I want my airdrop. And then you say, cool. And then all of your money is gone. And you're like, wait, what? I have zero. Wait a minute. Instead of this saying 32,000, it said 0. And I was like, wait, what? What do you mean I have 0 Brett? Hold on, what? And I contacted MetaMask, and they went through what happened with my transactions, and they explained everything exactly what happened. They're like, yeah, man, I'm so sorry. You've been scammed. Like you literally confirmed it on the wallet. It asked you, do you literally want to send this to them? And if you don't look at that stuff carefully when it asks these confirmations, like, yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to just send a scammer your money, and then it's gone, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. So what you want to look out for is, don't click on random links that will send you to the website. I know Based Brett is the website. That's the only one I will go to. Don't click on a link on Twitter that sends you to a Brett website and, random links off of that website. Otherwise, it's just a recipe for disaster. You can always confirm the address right here on Dex Screener, right? And that's how you do it. That's how you can do it with confidence. But it's so simple. Once you have Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet, you send it via Base to your MetaMask wallet, and then you swap that Ethereum for your Brett coins through KyberSwap, which is right here on the website. It's so easy. My MetaMask wallet is already connected. If I had any Ethereum through my Base network right here, it would show. I would click max. And because I don't have any, it's saying, well, sorry, you don't have any. But yeah, that's exactly how I would do it. I would click go, and then I would have those coins. It's so simple. All right. And then if I wanted to get out of the trade, same exact way, just backwards. I would just swap, Brett for Ethereum, and then I would send my Ethereum from the base network in my MetaMask over to Coinbase, and then I would cash that out. I would just sell it. You know what I mean? I would just sell that for cash. So it's very simple. Very, very, very simple. But, you just got to know a few things. And once you do, then you can really start having some fun with this. I mean, if you want to get risky, head over to New Pairs on dexscreener.com, New Pairs, and you can click which networks you want to look at. So if you want to look at only base coins, then just do that. Here's all the base coins. And here's how many base coins were created in the last hour. Like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Look how many coins. There's like 10 coins in the last 10 minutes created. Base is freaking flying right now. Last couple months ago, it was Solana. And you can see, 13 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago, not nearly as often as, look, another one was just while we were talking, 32 seconds ago was created. And that's why people are so excited about this Brett, because people are buying it. People are hopping on this base network. And it's run by Coinbase, which is an actual exchange recognized by the US that you can buy coins on. You can buy meme coins on here, So like if I wanted to buy Doge, I can buy that. That's a meme coin. There are only 3 or 4 or 5 meme coins listed on here. But can I get Pepe on here? No, you can't. You'd have to open your Coinbase wallet and start doing swapping. See what I mean? It's not tradable on Coinbase. But Dogecoin is, right? Here, you can just buy it right here. Bam, buy and sell. And that's why the big ones end up getting listed on Coinbase. Friends and family, what happens when our friend Brett gets listed on Coinbase? Like that thing's going to fly. And look what it's already done in the last 3 months. So anyway, it's that easy, all right? And I hope this helps you out. If it did, leave a like. Subscribe if you want. I just wanted to help anybody who wanted to get into this stuff and start looking around at the different pairs. But I want you to really be careful when you get into these new pairs and you're like, oh, I want to get in early. Look at that. And you like, because you're going to see a lot of videos on YouTube that are like, here's how I make $1,000 a day sniping cash on meme coins. And it's like, dude, trust me. I tried this. I followed them. I did what they told me to do. I lost so fast. You will lose money. It's so simple. How quickly these things lose money. So just be careful. I hope you don't get rugged. I don't want you to lose money. I just want you to know what you're doing so you can have some fun with this and hopefully make some money along the way. All right? Take care, friends. Good luck out there.